Hi there, my name is Chris Joseph. I'm a postgrad student at UWE Bristol doing data science. My idea is based on smart kitchen concept built on vending machine platform. Imagine being able to access ready to eat good food at night 3 o'clock when most restaurants close by 10 or 12. Uh, Most people I think would be happy to have some easy access to good food. Like imagine having access to good pizza or to ramen noodles or to a delicious bowl of curry maybe. And imagine if this customer could customize it according to their palate, or even you don't even have to deal with people. Imagine doing that at night 3 o'clock. So that's my idea about having a smarter system.